Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss on installing Docker inside WSL Debian in our Windows PC. So for this, first of all, we need to set up a WSL Debian inside our Windows. If you want to see how to configure that, I already uploaded a video for that. I will give you a link into the description. You can check out that. So for today's, why we need Docker inside WSL. So basically, if you want to do self labs, it's very difficult sometimes to get the cloud free trial access, and sometimes your free trial access will get expired, and you want to do your lab on your own. You want to build your own environment. So this is helpful. Personally, what I do is I create this Docker inside my WSL Linux, any Linux. For me, I use Debian. So inside my WSL Debian, I will run a Docker, and after running a Docker, I can create multiple containers, and I can create my own tier 2, tier 3 applications as well. So for today, we'll just focus on how to install Docker inside our WSL Debian. What are the steps required for that? So, few of the times you will see on some YouTube videos or some internet blogs, like installing a Docker website to use Docker inside your Windows PC. But I won't recommend that because I personally feel that it is a some lengthy process. But today we'll see using one or two command how to install Docker inside our Windows WSL. So let's get started. So this is the PC which I built in my last video using a WSL. It's a Debian PC. So to verify, first of all, I will change my user to root. Yeah, to verify which OS is version, we can run a command tc/os. Yeah, you can see Debian is installed here. So there is a good shell script, I can say, which is available to download all the required commands which are needed to install Docker inside your WSL Debian. So you just need to do a curl to this website. Yeah, and if you do a ls, you will see get-docker.sh shell script is downloaded from this get-docker.com. So if you do a cat to this shell script, you will see it is having all the conditions defined. Suppose if you are not running Debian, you are running Ubuntu, then also this script will work. This script will work for Fedora as well. So it's like for Red Hat Linux as well, it works. So what we need to do is we just need to run this script. It will automatically detect the underlying Linux version running. Like if it is running Debian, it will install the packages related to Debians only. So now as the shell script is downloaded to our Debian machine, what we can do is we can execute this shell script. Yeah, so now in the background this shell script is running, and we need to wait for some time to get it finished, and then we'll check whether Docker is installed in our system or not. Yeah, so we can see it has downloaded the download docker.com Linux Debian related files only. So as we are running Debian, so if you use Ubuntu, it will download the Ubuntu related files. Okay, so we'll go back to our prompt and we'll run a Docker. So I can see something is downloaded there. So now to check whether Docker is properly installed or not, we need to do some, like we can type a command docker version. You can see Docker version 27 is installed into my PC. Now I can do a Docker compose version. Yeah, Docker compose is already installed. So now the purpose of using the Virtual Studio Code for this demo is we can have some extensions downloaded to use Docker inside our PC. But before doing that, we need to assign some user roles, like user role to the Docker. So the current user, which is the DJ Linux PC user, will get assigned to the Docker group so that we can run Docker through this user ID. And to do that, we need to put this command sudo usermod docker user. So we are adding our user into the Docker group. It will ask for a password. So now it's added. Now what we need to do is we need to download the extensions for Docker inside WSL. So we can go to the extensions, and here you can see Docker Explorer is there. Install in WSL. We need to install in WSL because we are running it in WSL. Yeah, it says it's installed. So you can see now we got the two more folders like Docker images and Docker containers. These are empty because we don't have any Docker containers running as of now. So to check whether any Docker container is running, we can do a Docker ps. Yeah, it's nothing because we have not initiated any Docker command. So what I will do is I will initiate first Docker. Yeah. So this will be the first image which I want to run using this Docker. Yeah. So we can see it says hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. So as in coding you do hello world, so Docker has also developed this wonderful, I will say, image for the first time, which if we are installing Docker, so that it confirms us that we have successfully installed Docker inside our Windows WSL. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Like in coming videos as well, I will be discussing more on how to use these Docker containers, how to create Ansible script to manage these Docker containers and all. So stay tuned, and also please comment if you need more modifications into these videos, or if you want me to elaborate more onto some skills or technology area. And please do like, subscribe, and share this video if you like it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.